Oh, hello. We're blowing up someone's house. Yeah, yeah, and yeah. I'm Angel. I didn't set up any TNT whatsoever. Like, I don't own TNT. I'm poor. Like, okay, look at this. Okay. So yeah, we're just gonna have some fun, and since it's about to be the 4th of July, some fireworks. Wait, where can I get the best view? Yeah, you need to. No, I'm good. I get a good view from here. The top one. I mean, 3, 2, 1, go. Really? Really? There you go. Okay, let's. Oh, oh, this is gonna go to the top. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh, yep. It blew up. Oh, we missed some. Wait. Oh, never mind. Wow. Wow. That was perfect. It like blew out the whole house. That sucks. Why do you build above land though? Why? Oh god. Yeah, now I gotta go buy gunpowder. Oh, those chests blew up. The ones like that didn't have stuff. Wait, no, they didn't. Or did they? I thought they couldn't blow up. Wow, that's weird. Because there was 3 floors, so it's confusing. Oh wait, never mind. They're there. Oh, I'll stop recording. Mm, so I just change. You want my perspective? It's oh, goodbye everyone. From Angel. Okay, don't give them my name. They might want to blow up my base. Wait, oh, I'm not even in the game, but